how's it going?
Doing good, thanks.
Cool, man. What's your Instagram handle?
Sorry, what?
You know, like your name on Instagram.
I don't have an Instagram handle. Why?
Yeah, you need an actual Instagram to shop here. We started off just you had to have one to enter raffles, but we just made it a store policy you need to have one to shop here.
You gotta be kidding me.
What's your Instagram handle?
@LaFlame69_420 Pokemon cards.
Cool, man. Let me know if you need any help, alright?
Bet, fam.
Hey, did you sign up for Instagram yet?
No. Why would I?
Leave this place.
Isn't it so fun when videos start like this? It's like, oh my gosh, the camera's on, so I'm just gonna start a video. I'm so fun and creative. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social if you really want to. Twitter's a good follow because I'm a huge curmudgeon on there. And then if you're digging what's going on, you can subscribe. Probably not though. Yeah. Hi, pals! Welcome to and/or back to the channel, everyone. We got another box from Supremacy. This box should be really good because it's only $25 less than the awesome one that we got last week. This box is $800 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $850. Look. It's not gonna make a fart noise. That's the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that affect the value of a shoe. Then we're gonna break down the entire estimated market value, put it up against how much I paid to see what the potential profit is towards the end of the video in the breakdown. Now, let's open the box. All right, so we are open. Looks like there's a pair of loose shoes in here. It's a New Balance, cool. A brand that I have no idea what I'm talking about when it comes to them. So it looks huge.
That's what she said.
Nope, it's only a size 10.5. So it says it's a 997H. It's a New Balance. This is a really nice colorway. I mean, it's real simple. I mean, it's kind of like grayscale-ish. There's a little bit of creams in here too, but it's mostly white, gray, and black. Can't really complain. New Balance is putting out really nice shoes. I honestly think New Balance is gonna be like the next hype thing after Dunks are done, hopefully, so I can buy them again. But here you go. First shoe out is a size 10.5 New Balance 997H in a really nice colorway. A little bit of outsole wear, but they're in good shape. So, hey, if you're interested in that pair of shoes or any of the other shoes in this box, hit up my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can find it at sbmitch.com. Right on top, we got a size 13 Air Jordan 3 Retro OG. Nice. These are worn, good shape though. This is probably the 2018 shoe of the year. It's the retro of the black cement 3s with the original Nike Air on the heel tab. These are in really good shape. There's just a little bit of outsole wear. Here, there you go. You can see it. There's more heel drag than star loss, so that's good. Still not much though. So you just need a solid cleanup. A little bit of toe box creasing on the toe box. Where else would there be toe box creasing? Yeah, these are in good shape. They're not stinky. They don't smell like weed or anything, so that's good. Size 13. Black cement 3s from 2018. Good pickup. We'll never complain about something like that. Another thing. Looks like another 3 actually. It's a size 12 Air Jordan 3 Retro. First time seeing these in hand. Got some Mocha 3s. These were on huge deep discount sale for a really long time. I don't know why. I think it's a really nice colorway even though I don't like all white or brown shoes. But these are lightly worn. You can see just a little bit of outsole wear, a little bit of schmutz and stuff here and there. Jumpman fully intact. Shoe size sticker fully intact. Can't really complain about this. Very clean colorway, size 12. Jordan 3 Mocha. Oh, there's a Yeezy in here. Dang. What do we got? Size 13, Yeezy Boost 350 V2. From the colorway, it looks like a zebra. Woohoo, it totally is. Are these DS? So these are super lightly worn, but my gosh, they're in very close to dead stock shape. Pair of zebras. Look at these outsoles. Very, very clean. I pulled out the insole. You can see hardly any writing is gone. Looks like the first A is gone. This is probably the most wearable Yeezy, in my opinion. Gonna give it a good cleanup and they will be good to go. Size 13, not the best size for a Yeezy, but still, this colorway will always sell. I don't know why. These and creams and any triple black 350 always has good resale value. There you go, 13. Zebras. Very good box so far. Let's do this. There's an Air Force One in here, let's grab it. Got a size 13 Air Force One low Travis Scott. Okay, this is actually a really good one. So you can tell by the various swooshes. So they're worn, but they're in good shape. This is the Sail Air Force One and the Travis Scott collaboration. These are in really great shape. I mean, it's an all canvas upper, so it's prone to get dirty. The swooshes come off. It's all Velcro, which is very cool. You can see the outsole just has some dirt on it, so we'll just have to clean that up. These just need a solid cleanup and they'll be good to go. Dang, awesome. Size 13 though, but it's a good shoe. I'm glad it's not that goofy multicolored one. So size 13 Travis Scott Air Force One in the Sail colorway. Very cool. That's literally the only Travis Scott thing I've hit on sneakers. All right, we got two more in here. They're both Jordan 1s. Why not save them for last? Got a size 13 Jordan 1 Retro. Oh, cool. All right. So this is the white pair from the Yin Yang release or whatever. There's a black one that's with a white swoosh, and then there's this white with a black swoosh. This is definitely more of a summertime pair. The literal only color on this entire thing is on the tongue tag. They seem to be lightly worn, no star loss, decent shape. They just need to clean up just like the other ones. So can't really complain about that. It's a size 13. Again, not the greatest size, but still a very good model and really easy to move. So size 13 Jordan 1 Yin Yang. Big boy sizes in this box. Dang. One last one. It is another Jordan 1. It's another size 13 Jordan 1 Retro High. This is another simple colorway. This is the Midnight Metallic Navy, whatever you call it, Jordan 1. This came out in like 2016 or 17. Looks like 16. So, I mean, there's the typical worn Jordan stuff, a little bit of toe box creasing, a little bit of ankle collar creasing from putting them on and walking in them. Very little heel drag, very little star loss. Just need a solid cleanup, just like the other ones. So, simple colorway, Jordan 1, can't complain. This is an awesome box. There's your last shoe, a size 13 Jordan 1 in the metallic navy colorway, and that is an $800 Soul Supremacy beater box. Gosh, this is awesome. I think it's a really good box. Sizes are kind of meh, but the models in here are super good. So let's take a look and see what the potential profit is right now in the breakdown. These boxes never disappoint. I'm sorry. If you disagree with me, that's cool. But these like $700 to $900 boxes always rule. And this one is no exception. These are gonna be quick movers and this is kind of a fun unboxing. So, hey, if you're interested in buying any of these shoes, go to my website, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. sbmitch.com is where you can find them. Unless they sell on Go first, which is very, very much a possibility. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this stupid video. I appreciate it. I'd probably do some kind of other video. Oh, we'll see. Have a good rest of your weekend. Remember to take care of each other and make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.